Good evening, everyone. I'm audible, guys, all of you. Right. So yesterday, how many problems completed, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Yesterday, how many problems completed? I think 15 problems completed, right? Right. So move on to next model, guys. In a bag, there are coins 25 paisa, 10 paisa, 5 paisa in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. If there is 30 rupees in all, how many 5 paisa coins are there? How many 5 paisa coins are there? Okay. So very, very important model, guys, and very dead easy also. In a bag, there are coins 25 paisa. So 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins and 5 paisa coins, guys. Okay, right. The given ratio is how much? 1 is to 2 is to 3, guys. Here. The given ratio is how much? 1 is to 2 is to 3, guys. Okay, let me calculate, guys. Just multiplication, guys. Here, multiply. So 25 ones are 25, and next, so 10 twos are 20p, and next 5 threes are 15p. So total how many rupees, guys? Here 30 rupees, guys. Here. Okay, here is given rupees, here is given paisa andi. So paisa rupees lo convert cheddamandi. And 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa, guys? 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. Right, Andy. So total LCM is how much here? 100. Okay, so 25 plus 20, 45. 45 plus 15 is how much, guys? 60p. Okay, right, and is equal to 30. ఈ 100 side తీసుకెళ్ళిపోదామండి అప్పుడేమవుతుంది? So 60p is equal to 3,000 rupees. Okay, 3,000. Right, let me calculate, guys. 0 key cancel. So 6 ones are 6 fives are 30 and 0 key 0. Okay, na? So one part is equal to how much, guys? Here 50 coins, guys. Here. Okay, na? One part is equal to how many coins? 50 coins, guys. Here we have to find out the 5 paisa coins. So 5 paisa, how many times here? 3 times, guys. Here. Okay, how many parts here? 3 parts. 5 paisa coin. So 3 into 1 part is how much? 50 coins. So 350s, 150 coins are there. 150 coins are there. Which option is the right answer, guys? Option C is the right answer. So clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem? Okay, right. Move on to next one, Andy. In a bag, 50 paisa, 25 paisa, 10 paisa coins are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. If the total sum in the bag is 30 rupees, then find the number of 10 paisa coins. Same model problem, but numbers change, guys. What is the answer? All of you, please respond. Guys, what is the answer? Yeah, somebody saying 50. Okay, very good, guys. Let me check. No issue. 50 paisa and 25 paisa and 10 paisa. So the given ratio is how much? 3 is to and 4 is to so 5. Somebody saying answer 40. Very good, excellent. Let me check. No issue, guys. All right, just multiply. So 50 into 3, 150. Next, 25 fours are 100p. Next, 10 fives are 50p. Okay, total how many rupees, guys? Here 30 rupees, guys. Here. So rupees ni మనం పైసలు మనం ఏం చేద్దాం 1 రూపీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుందాం by 100. Okay, so right అండి. LCM is how much? 100. 150 plus 100, 250, 250 plus 50, 300. So 300p is equal to 30. ఈ 100 ఇట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోదాం అంటే 300p is equal to 3000. So 2 zeros get 2 zeros cancel, 3 ones are 3 tens are 1 paisa. It's how many coins, guys, here? So 10 coins. We have to find out the 10 paisa. 10 paisa is how many parts here? So 5 parts. So 5 tens are 50 coins are there. 50 coins are there. Which option is the right answer? Option 2 is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? Very, 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 very dead easy, guys. Okay, all right. And move on to next one, guys. A's income is 140 rupees more than B's income, and C's income is 80 rupees more than D's income. If the ratio of A's and C's income is 2 is to 3, and the ratio of B's and D's income is 1 is to 2, then the incomes of A, B, C, D are respectively. So దీనికోసం పెన్నులు పేపర్లు అవసరం లేదండి, జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్, గైస్. And what is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. First, read the question properly, guys. We'll get the answer. I think no need pen and paper. But the first statement, guys, here. If A's income is 140 rupees more than B's income, A's income is 140 rupees more than B's income. Somebody saying option 3, and let me check. No issue, guys, here. Okay, right. A's income is 140 rupees more than B's income. First option check చేయండి ఒకసారి. So 260 and 120. So difference is how much, guys? 140 only. Okay, right. Next one, 300, 160. Difference 140. 400 and 260. 140 and 320 and 180. Difference is how much? 140. All are equal గా ఉన్నాయి 4 options లో. Coming to the next step అండి. C's income is 80 rupees more than D's income. C's income is 80 rupees more than D's income. And so first option, so C value is how much? 320. And so D value is how much? So 240. 320 ki 240 ki difference entandi? 80 and D. Like 600 ki 520 ki 80. 600 ki 520 ki 80. Next 480 ki 360 కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత అండి? 120 ఉంటుందండి ఇక్కడ. సో 480 కి 360 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 120. సో దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ 4 is the wrong option, guys, here. Option 4 is the wrong option. Here, guys, all of you. Right. Check the remaining only 3 options, guys, here. Right. What is the next statement? if the ratio of A's income is 2:3, if the ratio of A's income is 2:3 and A and C ratio ఎలా ఉండాలండి 2:3 ఉండాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి. సో A ఎంత 260, C ఎంత 320. Let me calculate. 0 కి cancel guys here. 0 కి cancel. Okay, so 2 ones are and 2 threes are, and next so 2 ones are 2 6 are. Any cancellation అవుతుందా 13:16 2:3 అవుతుందా? No avadu. అంటే option 1 is eliminated guys here. Option 1 is eliminated. Right, ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. సో ఇక్కడ 300 ఉంది సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ లో, అండ్ ఏ వాల్యూ అండ్ సి వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది 600 ఉంది. అంటే 1:2 వస్తుంది అక్కడ. మనకేం కావాలి 2:3 కావాలి. దట్స్ వై రాంగ్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది 400 ఉంది. సి వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది 600 ఉంది. 2 zeros కి 2 zeros cancel. So 2 2s are and 2 3s are. 2:3 satisfy కదా. So that's why option 3 is the right answer guys here. Clear guys, all of you? So any doubts regarding this problem? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Yes, sir.
Right. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Right. And coming to the next one, guys, problems on ages. One of the sub-concept in ratio and proportions, guys, here. One of the sub-concept in ratio and proportions, problems on ages. Okay. If you are preparing for any exam, the concept weightage is at least 1 to 2 marks, guys, here. That's why very, very important concept and very dead is the concept, guys. Here. So ratio, proportion, applications, guys, here. Problems on ages, mixtures and allegation concept, guys. Okay. All right. So coming to the problems on ages. Total enter the concept, no formulas, guys, here. Total enter the concept, no formulas. Only formation is there. Only formation is there. If you are perfect in fundamentals, guys, total enter the concept is very, 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 very that is a guys here. Okay. All right. For example, present my age is 30 years. Present my age is 30 years. So 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? 5 years ago, my age was how much?
25.
Yes, very good. So 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? 25 years. 25 years. Right. I'm taking same example. Present my age is 30 years. Okay. 5 years before, my age was how much? 25 years. And this concept, ago or before means minus. Ago or before means minus. Right. I'm taking same example, guys, here. Present my age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys?
40.
40 years.
Yes, very good. 40 years, guys, here. Okay. So present my age is 30 years. 10 years hence, my age will be 40 years. In this concept, after or hence means plus. So ago or before means minus. Just remember, guys, here. This point is very, very important. So after or hence means plus. Okay. Ago or before means minus. For example, I'm taking one example, guys. A and B, the present sum age is 60 years. A and B, the present sum age is 60 years. So 3 years ago, 3 years ago, so their ages was how much, guys? 3 years ago, their ages was how much?
57.
57. So very good, but wrong answer, guys. Why? Because listen. So here is two persons, guys. A is one person, B is another person. For example, A is myself and B is yourself. అంటే నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏ కి 3 ఇయర్స్ డిడక్ట్ చేయాలి అండ్ బి కి 3 ఇయర్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలండి? 6 ఇయర్స్. 60 - 6 ఎంత అండి? 54 years. So 3 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? 54 years. Previous example, present my age is 30 years. It means only one person. Okay, so A, B, two persons, guys, here. So just remember, in this concept, ago or before means minus. I'm taking one more example, guys. A, B, C, three person, the present sum age is 60 years. After 5 years, their ages will be how much, guys?
75.
75.
Yes, very good. 75 years, guys,
75.
here. And A key 5 years, B key 5 years, C key 5 years. Total how many years increasing? 15 years increasing, guys. So after 5 years, their ages will be 75 years. Okay, after means plus, ago means minus. Just remember this point, guys. This point is very, very, very important. And coming to the next point, guys. Twice and thrice problem. Twice means 2 times, thrice means 3 times, guys. And మరి 4 times 10 times problems ఉండవా అంటే ఉంటాయండి. అలాంటివి కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. No issue, guys. The first step here, father age is 3 times the age of his son. The father age is 3 times the age of his son. First of all, I am going to basic method, guys. After that, we are using shortcut method. No issue. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know, guys. Let x. Son age is we don't know. Let x. Father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3, 3x. The formation here, 3x is to x, guys. The formation here, 3x is to x. So this is a basic method, guys, here. If you are going to shortcut method, guys, here. If you are going to shortcut method, so son ages we don't know, let 1. Son ages we don't know, let 1. ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది డౌట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సార్ 1 ఎందుకు అనుకుంటారు సార్, మీరు 2 అనుకుంటారంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ. సార్ నేను 5 అనుకుంటారంటే అనుకో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సార్ నేను 100 years అనుకుంటానంటే అనుకో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ, no problem, guys, but finally we will get the same answer, right? For example, son ages we don't know, let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. 3 is to 1. Next, for example, son ages we are taking 2 parts. Father is how many parts? 3 parts. So 2 3s are 6. Next, you are taking son ages 5 parts. So 5 3s are 15. Next, son ages we are taking 100 years, 100 parts. And father is how many parts? 3 parts. So 100 into 3, 300. Okay, let me calculate, guys, here. Finally, we will get the same answer. So 3 is to 1 starting, right? So 2 1s are and 2 3s are. The final answer is how much? 3 is to 1. Next, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. The final answer is how much? 3 is to 1. 2 zeros keep 2 zeros keep cancel. The final answer is how much, guys? 3 is to 1. Got my point, all of you? You can take any value, no problem. Finally, we will get the same answer. Any doubts regarding this point, guys?
So what if the child is born for 1 year? If father age is 3 years?
So the given statement here, the father age is 3 times the age of his son. అంటే వాళ్ళ సన్ ఏజ్ కన్నా వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ ఎలా ఉందంటే 3 times ఎక్స్ట్రాగా ఉందంట. 3 times ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉందంట. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సన్ ఏజ్ 10 years అనుకోండి, ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు? 3 times ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంటుంది. 3 times అంటే 10 into 3, 30 years. Now son age is 10 years and father age is 30 years. That's the statement meaning. ఇప్పుడు 1 అనుకోమండి, son ages we don't know కదా, that's why we're taking 1. మీరు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు 30:10 ఉంది, ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? 3:1 కదా వచ్చేది. That's why I'm taking generally. So son ages we don't know, let 1. If you are going to a basic method, so take x value. Clear? Okay, right hand is coming to second point. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. So father age is 3 times more than his son. First of all, I'm going to basic method, guys. It means basic method means x and y values. Right. Son age is we don't know. Let x. Son age is we don't know. Let x. So father age is 3 times. 3 times. X into 3, 3x. More. More means adding. More than his son. Son age is how much? X. The formation here, 3x plus x is 4x is to x. That is the formation, guys. Here. More means plus and less means subtraction. Right. If you are going to shortcut method, son age is we don't know. Let 1. Okay, father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. More means adding. More than his son. Son age is how much? 1 part. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 is to 1 and 4x is to x, and it's the same meaning, guys. Here, guys, all of you. Read out regarding these 2 points.
No, sir.
Okay, all right. For example, so 5 times to sell us all yes, sir. The same formation. Father age is 5 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know. Let 1. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 is 1 into 5, 5. So that is a formation. 5 is to 1. For example, here is a 10 times. Son age is we don't know. Let 1. Father is how many times? 10 times. 1 into 10, 10. 10 is to 1 is the formation, guys. Okay, 10 times each 100 is each 100 times each it's the same formation, guys. Right? So ratio and proportion. So what is the ratio? What is the proportion? And ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus. Twice problem, thrice problem. Just ఈ fundamentals proper గా ఉంటే చాలండి. Problems and ages concepts మనం almost ఓకేనా. సో వితౌట్ పెన్ తో మనం సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళచ్చు. రైట్. కమిట్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ టైమర్ రొటేట్ అవుతుందండి. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం జస్ట్ 30 seconds ఇస్ ఎనఫ్ అండి. 30 seconds లో ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. రైట్. సో నేను లాస్ట్ లో చెప్తాను 30 seconds ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలండి. ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్ మెథడ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాము. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ యూస్ చేస్తాను. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఎలిమినేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ లో మనము 30 seconds లో ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. పద్ధతి ప్రకారం ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్ మెథడ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. The given question here, the ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4:5. After 5 years, they will be the ratio of 5:6. Find the present age of A is. Find the present age of A is. Okay. So the given information, A is to B. The ratio is how much? 4:5, guys. Their ages we don't know. One age manaku telusa? We don't know. Let x anukundamandi. And then 4x is to 5x, guys. 4x is to 5x. Read the next statement. What is the next statement? After 5 years. After means plus. 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5. Okay. After means plus. So after 5 years, they will be the ratio of 5:6, guys. They will be the ratio of 5:6. Look like a, for example, so this is the A, this value is B, and this is the C, and this is the D. Look like a proportion. What is the proportion, guys? Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. What is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. Okay, same like this, guys. AD is equal to BC. Okay, so 6 into 4x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. Okay, 6 4s are 24x, 6 5s are 30, and 5 5s are 25x. Again 5 5s are 25. Okay, x లని ఒక సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చేద్దామండి ఇక్కడ మనం. Right. So 25x minus 24x, x, right. 30 minus 25, 5. X values how many years, guys? 5 years. We have to find out the present age of A. A is how many parts, guys, here? 4x. Then x values how much? 5 years. 4 5s are 20 years. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer, guys. This is the basic method, guys. Any doubts regarding basic method, guys? All of you, please respond. Right. If you are going to basic method, guys, definitely we are taking 1 or 2 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen, guys, here. Right, and coming to the second method, shortcut method. The given information A is to B is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, the ratio will become 5 is to 6. Look at the screen, guys, here carefully. So problem lo, so shortcut method lo after anna ego anna same shortcut workout అవుతుందండి ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్నా సరే సేమ్ షార్ట్కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి అండి. రైట్, మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి 3 స్టెప్స్ చెప్తానండి, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి చెప్తాను అంతే. ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, cross multiplication, check the difference. The first step, cross multiplication, check the difference. 6 4s are 24, 5 5s are 25. 24 ki 25 ki difference ఎంత ఉందండి? 1 అండి, not a -1, guys. ఎందుకంటే total enter the concept లో no negative values. Okay, for example, my age is 50 years, your age is 20 years. So difference is how many years, guys?
30.
Yes, very good. 30. అందుకని -30 అని చెప్పామా? No అండి. So total enter the concept లో no negative values, guys, here. That's why 24, 25 difference is 1. That's the first step. The first step is cross multiplication, check the difference. And second step, check the second ratio difference. First ratio is 4 is to 5. Second ratio is 5 is to 6. Okay, na? What is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. 5 ki 6 ki difference anta? 1. Okay, na? Coming to the third step, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Right, we have to find out the percentage of A. A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 4s are 20. It is a multiplication. Next, step 2. Step 2 is how much, guys? So 1. Difference is how much? 1. And next one, step 1 difference is how much? 1. That is equal to A present age is how much, guys? 20 years. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer, guys. Any doubts regarding shortcut method, guys? What is the first step? Cross multiplication, check the difference. What is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. What is the third step? Multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Here, right. If you are going to shortcut method also, definitely will get. So 2 or 3 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds, sir, without pen, guys, here. Okay, I think no need pen and paper and but meeku అర్థం అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేసిన, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి. is to B is 4 is to 5 after 5 years. After 5 years, age ratio will become 5 is to 6. Okay, right అండి. ఇక్కడ టైమర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 30 seconds లో ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి మనం. రైట్, ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేద్దామని చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో we have to find out the percentage of A. A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 years tarvata A is how many parts? 5 parts. Go through option verification. What is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. Next, after 5 years. After means plus. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. So that's why first option is the right answer, guys. And 13 seconds లో ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిందండి. ఇక రిమైనింగ్ 17 seconds ఉంది. Check the remaining options also. 30. 30 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong. So 41 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong. So first option is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding option verification method?
No, sir.
Right hand. Next, move on to next one. The present age of A and B are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. After 3 years, ages ratio will become 11:9. What is the present age of B? First concept, I think no need pen and paper. What is the answer? Option verification will end, will get the answer, no issue.
None. D.
Option D. Very good, but wrong answer. I think no need pen and paper and. Right. So what is the present age of B? What is the present age of B? B ni find out chese chaar manamante. Right. So present B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. So after 3 years, B is how many parts? 9 parts. And 5 to 11 మనకు అవసరం లేదు. ఏ present is find out చేయమంటే 5 to 11 తో మాత్రమే అవసరం మనకి ఇక్కడ. Right. What is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 4 5 is a 20. After 3 years. After means plus. So 20 plus 3. 23. 23 is a multiples of 9. No. That's why first option is the wrong option. And move on to second option. 24. 24 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 4 6 are 24. After 3 years. 24 plus 3. 27. 27 is a multiples of 9. Yes, 9 3 is 27. That's why option B is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, we'll get the answer, no issue. Call and try the shortcut method, no?
Yes, sir.
Right, let me check, no issue. The given information A is to B is 5:4. After 3 years, ratio become 11:9. After anna ego anna ila middle note cheyandi. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 9 5s are 45. 11 4s are 44. Difference is how much? 1. Next, what is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. So 9 key 11 key difference enta 2. Right. We have to find out the percentage of B. So B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. 3 4s are 12 into step 2 difference is how much? 2. By step 1 difference is how much? 1. 12 2s are 24. That's why option B is the right answer, guys. Here, guys, all of you. Yes or no?
Sir, once again repeat, sir, please.
Yeah, sure. Right. So note down first given information. A is to B ratio is 5:4. After 3 years, ratio will become 11:9. After anna ego anna ila middle note cheyandi. Okay na? What is the first step? Meeku ardham avadam 3 steps cheppanu. Once ardhamaiti 3 steps not required andi. What is the first step? Cross multiplication, check the difference. Cross multiplication, check the difference. 9 5s are 45. Next, 11 4s are 44. So 45, 44 difference is how much? 1. That is first step. What is second step? Check the second ratio difference. Check the second ratio difference. First ratio 5:4. Second ratio enta 11:9. And 11 key 9 key difference enta undi? 2 undi. What is the third step? Multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. We have to find out the percentage of B. And the B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. 3 4s are 12 into step 2 difference. step 2 difference enta 2 by step 1 difference enta 1. Then so 12 2s are 24. That's why option B is the right answer. Clear, guys, all of you? Write it. Two brothers. Second brother, first brother and second brother. So the given ratio is how much? 1:2, guys. 1:2. 5 years back, the ratio is how much? 1:3, guys. So మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్న సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందండి. ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అండి? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, చెక్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. 1 × 3, 3. Next, 1 × 2, 2. Difference is how much? 1. Next, what is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. So 1 key, 3 key difference and 2. Right. First find out the first brother A. First brother is how many parts here? 1 part. How many years back? 5 years back. 1 × 5, 5. Into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Step 2 difference and 2. Step 1 difference and 1. 5 2s are 10. And first brother age is how much, guys? 10 years. Right. Find out the second brother A. How many years back? 5 years back. 5 2s are 10 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 10 2s are 20. And the first brother age is 10 years. Second brother age is 20 years. But problem ఏమన్నారు ఇక్కడ మనకి after 5 years age ratio. After అంటే ఏంటి? ప్లస్ ఏ కదా. So 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25. So 5 3s are and 5 5s are. So very good, and somebody saying answer 3:5. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem?
No, sir.
Right. Go on to the next one, guys. I think no need pen and paper. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son. At that time, how old is father at present? First read the question properly, we'll get the answer, guys. I think no need pen and paper. If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to option verification method, we'll get the same answer. What is the answer, guys? Faster. First read the question properly, we'll get the answer. I think no need pen and paper. Marketing challenge.
45.
Yes, very good. 45 is the right answer, guys. Let me check, no issue. Right. What is the first statement? The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. Okay, son age is we don't know. Let one. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. 5 years ago also, son ages we don't know, let one. 5 years ago also, son ages we don't know, let one. Father is how many times? 10 times. 1 into 10, 10. So this is a formation and in option verification will put chalu will get the same answer, guys, here. So 45, 50 and 60. These 3 options are wrong option, then directly 4th option is the right answer. Okay, right. So we have to find out the present age of father. Present father is how many parts? 5 parts. Present father is how many parts? 5 parts. Next, 5 years ago father is how many parts? 10 parts. What is the first option? 45. 45 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 nines are 45. So 5 years ago. Ago means minus. 45 minus 5, 40. So 40 is a multiples of 10. Yes, 10 fours are 40. That's why first option is the right answer, guys. I think no need pen and paper. Check the remaining options also, no problem, guys. What is the second option? 50. 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 tens are 50. So 5 years ago, 50 minus 5, 45. 45 is a multiples of 10. No, that's why wrong. Next, third option, 60. 60 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 12s are 60. 5 years ago, 60 minus 5, 55. 55 is a multiples of 10. No, that's why wrong, I see. Here, guys, all of you. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Right, move on to next one. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2:3. And after 4 years, it will become 5:7. Find the present ages. Find the present ages. Right. What is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Which option is the right answer? So somebody saying option B, na? Okay, very good. Inka. Somebody saying option C. Very good. Yeah, somebody saying option D. Very good. Remaining only one option is there. Tell me that option also. So smart గా థింక్ చేయట్లేదండి. But I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. Just clear observation. I'm going to option verification. What is the first option? 36 and 40 years. Right. First, read the question properly, guys. 4 years ago, 4 years ago. Ago means minus, right? Okay. The 4 years ago ratio is how much? 2:3. Right. 36 minus 4. 32. 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. 40 minus 4. 36. 36 is a multiples of 3. Yes. Right. Read the next statement. After 4 years. After means plus. Right. 36 plus 4. 40. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 8s are 40. Right. 40 plus 4. 44. 44 is a multiples of 7. No. That's why first option is the wrong answer, guys. Okay. Right. Coming to the second option. What is the second option? 32 and 48, guys. Here. 32 and 48 అండి. Right. మొత్తం చెక్ చేయొద్దండి, స్మార్ట్ గా థింక్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ. సో 4 years ago అన్నాడు కదా, 38 minus 4 ఎంత? సారీ 48 minus 4 ఎంత? 44 కదా. 44 అనేది మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 3 అవుతుందా? నో కదా. సో దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ 2 is eliminated. Next, coming to the option 3 అండి. సో ఆప్షన్ 3 40 and 56. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ 4 ఇస్ అనుకుంటే డైరెక్ట్ నేను ఇక్కడ మొత్తం చెక్ చేసి టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోవద్దండి. రైట్. 56 minus 4 ఎంత? 56 plus 4 ఎంత అండి? 60. 56 plus 4 ఎంత? 60. 60 is a multiples of 7. కాదు కదా. That's why wrong answer. So directly option 4 is the right answer, guys. చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో సో నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. బట్ ఇది క్లాస్ కాబట్టి నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. What is the fourth option, guys? So 36 and 52. Right. Just clear గా observe చేయండి. 4 years ago, after 4 years. Right. So 4 years ago, 36 minus 4, 32. 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. Next term. Sorry, minus 4. 52 minus 4, 48. 48 is a multiples of 3. Yes. Next term. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 8s are 40. Next, 52 plus 4, 56. 56 is a multiples of 7. Yes, 7 8s are 56. That's why option D is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to elimination method, we'll get the same answer, guys. No problem. Right. Move on to next one, Andy. I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years since I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages is. Simple question. What is the answer? Sum of our ages is.
Sixty, sir.
Yes, very good. 60 is the right answer. What is the first statement? I am 3 times as old as my son. My son age is, I don't know. Let one. I am how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. Next, 15 years hence. 15 years hence. I will be twice as old as my son. So 15 years hence also my son age is, I don't know. Let one. I am how many times? 2 times. And 2 is to 1. Okay, right. So choose sorry, first option 60. Second option is 40. What is the third option? 30 and right. The sum of our ages. Sum and adding kadandi. So 3 plus 1, 4 parts. Next, 2 plus 1, 3 parts. Go through option verification. So what is the first option? 60. 60 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 4 15s are 60. 60 is a multiples of 3. Yes. 3 20s, 60. That's why the sum of our age is how much, guys? 60 years. Take the remaining options also. 40 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 3. No. That's why wrong. Next. 30 is a multiples of 4. No. That's why wrong, guys. Here guys, all of you. And use different methods, no problem. And ilage solve cheyalani em untadi ikkada logic anedi. Every style vadadi, every logic vadadi. And move on to next one. The difference between the present ages of Praveen and Javed is 4 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 9:8. What is Praveen's age at present? Simple question. I think no need pen and paper. What is the answer, guys?
31 years.
31 years. Very good. Right. Let me check, guys, here. The difference between Praveen and Javed is 4 years. To check the difference. Right. So 9 key, 8 key difference entandi 1 part. 1 part is equal to how many years? 4 years. The difference between Praveen and Javed is 4 years. Right, Andy. So we have to find out the Praveen's age. So Praveen is how many parts here? 9 parts. 1 part is how much? 4 years. 9 fours are 36 years. Ee 36 years epudu ante after 5 years 36 years, guys. After 5 years 36 years aithe now present age is how much, guys? 31 years only. And for example, present my age is 31 years. After 5 years, my age will be ante simple ga 31 plus 5 chese 36 years. That is the answer out. Right, Andy? So which option is the right answer? Option 2 is the right. Here, guys, all of you. And move on to next one. The ratio of the present ages of 2 boys is 3:4. After 3 years, the ratio of their ages is equal to will be 4:5. The ratio of their ages after 21 years will be after 21 years తర్వాత వాళ్ళ ఏజ్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. What is the answer, guys?
Ten is to 11, sir.
10:11. Very good, Andy. The ratio of the present ages of 2 boys is 3:4 after 3 years. Simple ga problem ki manam 3:4 ratio is given. Simple ga +7 add chese saripothundi. So 3 plus 7 10 and 4 plus 7 11. That is the answer. But 7 parts enduku add cheyali tarvata chepta nenu. Just clear ga observe cheyandi. First I am going to basic method. Present age ratio is how much? 3:4. After 3 years, the age ratio will become 4:5. So after an I go on a middle of achievement. Right. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 5 into 3, 15. Next, 4 fours are 16. Difference is how much? 1. Next, 4 5 difference is how much? 1. First, find out the first person age. First person is how many parts here? 3 parts. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Inka first second step difference is 1. First step difference is 1. Kabatti rayalsi avasaram ledandi. Next, find out the second person. Second person is how much? 4 parts. And 3 4s are 12. Okay. Second person is how much? 12 years. And first person is 9 years. Problem మనం ఏం find out చేయాలి? After 21 years. After అంటే ఏంటి? ప్లస్ కదా? Right. 9 plus 21 ఎంత? 30. Next, 12 plus 21 ఎంత? 33. Let me calculate, guys. 30 is to 33. So 3 tens and 3 11s. The final answer is how much? 10:11. In the current chip, okay, right. And 7 parts and the chip, just clear observation. The present age ratio 3:4. After how many years? 3 years. 3 years age ratio is given how much? 4:500. Right, Charlie. So present is first person 3 parts. After 3 years, 4 parts. And the difference is how many parts? 1 part. Second person also present 4 parts. After 3 years, 5 parts. Okay, difference is how many parts? 1 part. And it's simple ga 1 part difference రావడానికి how many years అండి? 3 years అండి. ఓకేనా రైట్ మనకేం కావాలి 21 years కి కావాలి. ఓకే 21 years కావాలి. 1 part 3 years అయినప్పుడు 21 years కి how many parts? ఇది క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ. అంటే సో 3 ని మనం ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 21 వస్తుంది. 3 7s are 21. సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ 1 ని మనం 7 తో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. అంటే 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 21. సో సింపుల్ గా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను 21 years యాడ్ చేయకుండా 7 parts యాడ్ చేస్తాను. Why? Because 7 parts is equal to 21 years. 21 years is equal to 7 parts. That's why I'm simply adding here plus 7 plus 7. Clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem?
No.
Right, Andy? And this is a concept of problems on ages, Andy. Any problems వచ్చినా సరే మనము so just fundamentals ప్రాపర్ గా ఉంటే చాలండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ థింక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని మనం వితౌట్ పెన్ తో సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. మహా అయితే 1 or 2 స్టెప్స్ అండి. అది ఓన్లీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పర్పస్ కోసం మాత్రమే. Right. And coming to the next one. One of the sub application in ratio and proportions is mixtures and allegations, guys. So, for example, I'm taking one example. A vessel contains milk and water. Ratio is 6:7. Second vessel contains milk and water. The ratio is 8:5. To mix the third vessel in equal ratio, find out the mixtures. Find out the milk and water ratio. Find out the new mixture ratio. Okay, 2 vessels. First vessel contains milk and water ratio is 6:7. Second vessel contains milk and water ratio is 8:5. To mix the third vessel, in equal quantity. Equal quantity means 1:1 ratio. So find out the new mixture ratio. First of all, I am going to basic method. After that, we are doing shortcut method, guys. Right? Okay, first tell me, guys, in first vessel, milk quantity how much, guys? First vessel low, milk quantity how much?
6.
So 6 and chala man cheptarandi, but it's the wrong answer. 6/13 and 6/13. Quantity and total vessel of milk quantity ఎంత ఉందంటే so 6/13. Total 13 parts ఉన్నాయి. 13 parts లో 6 parts మాత్రమే milk అండి. Right? And coming to the water quantity, how much, guys? 7/13. 7/13. Coming to the second vessel, milk quantity, how much, guys? 8/13. Okay. And water quantity, how much, guys?
5/13.
5/13. So we have to find out the new mixture ratio, milk and water. So first vessel, milk is how many quantity, how much? 6/13. Second vessel, 8/13. And next, first vessel water quantity 7/13. Second vessel 5/13. 5/13. 6 plus 4, 14. 6 plus 8, 14. So denominator is how much? 13. 7 plus 5, 12. And 13. 13 is cancelled, guys. 2 6s and 2 7s. So new mixture ratio is how much, guys? 7:6, guys. That is the answer, guys. 7:6. Clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding so basic method?
No, sir.
Right, అండి. I think no need pen and paper guys here. Just problem చూడగానే within fraction of seconds లో ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం just clear గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Right. First whistle, milk and water quantities 6:7. Second whistle, milk and water is 8:5. Add the total part. 6 plus 7, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, simple గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సో బోత్ విజిల్ క్వాంటిటీ అనేది ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ అయితే 13 పార్ట్స్ అంటే ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్. ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ అయినప్పుడు వాటి క్వాంటిటీని డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ అయితే క్వాంటిటీని డైరెక్ట్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చండి. 6 plus 8 ఎంత అండి? 14 అండి. 5 plus 7 ఎంత అండి? 12 అండి. లెట్ మీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ గైస్. 2 7s and 2 6s. The final answer is how much? 7:6. 7:6 guys. Clear guys, all of you? ఎప్పుడైతే పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటాయో అప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం పార్ట్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చు, వాళ్ళ క్వాంటిటీని మనము యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చు. క్లియర్ గైస్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, sir.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
sir.
మనం ఇలాగే సాల్వ్ చేస్తామండి. రైట్, ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూస్తే మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. 2 whistles contains milk and water in the ratio 9:7 and 5:11. If the both whistles are mixed in the ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. దీనికోసం పెన్నులు పేపర్లు ఏం అవసరం లేదండి. So 9 plus 7, how many parts? 16 parts. 5 plus 11, how many parts? 16 parts. Both parts equal గా ఉంటే వాళ్ళ క్వాంటిటీని మనము డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. 9 plus 5, 14. So 11 plus 7, 18. So 2 7s and 2 9s. Then answer is 7:9. Which option is the right answer? Option 3 is the right. Clear guys, all of you? Right, Andy? And move on to next one. So 2 whistles contains milk and water in the ratio 8:7 and 4:11. Both the whistles are mixed in the ratio of 1:1. Find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture is. So same model question guys, but number change. What is the answer?
Two is to three.
Yes, very good. 2:3. Simple గా అండి. 8 plus 4 ఎంత అండి? 12. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసుకోండి సరిపోతుంది, లోపల ఇష్యూ. 8 plus 5 ఎంత? సారీ, 8 plus 7 ఎంత? 15. 11 plus 4 ఎంత? 15. బోత్ పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్ యాడ్ చేసినాం అంతే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 7 plus 11 ఎంత? 18. Let me calculate. 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh, 6 to calculate directly మళ్ళీ ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు. So 6 2s and 6 3s. Then 2:3 is answer. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
And move on to next one, guys. 2 whistles contain zinc, copper, and tin in the ratio 3:8:6 and 9:5:3. If the both whistles are mixed in the ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of zinc and copper and tin also, guys. In new mixture is. Same model problem, guys.
Option 1, sir.
Yes, very good, excellent. So zinc, copper, and tin. Right. So total for add the total parts, guys. 8 plus 6 and 14. 14 plus 3 and 17. 9 plus 5 and 14. 14 plus 3 and 17. Parts equal ga unnai kabatti direct add cheyachandi. 9 plus 3 and 12. 8 plus 5 and 13. 6 plus 3 and 9. Any cancellation unda? No cancellation. So that's why answer is first option is the right answer. 12 is to 13 is to 9. Right. Move on to next one. A and B are two alloys of tin and copper prepared by mixing metals in proportion 13 is to 11 and 5 is to 7 respectively. If equal quantities of two alloys melted to from third alloy C, the proportion of tin and copper C will be. What is the answer, guys?
Option 4, sir.
Option 4, 22 is to 27. Very good, but a wrong answer, no issue.
25.
Yes, very good. 23 is to 24. Very good, excellent. A and B ratio is our 13 is to 11. Next, alloy 5 is to 7. Okay. Add the total part. 13 plus 11. How much, guys? 20. 5 plus 7 is how much, guys? 12. And the previous problems అనేవి మీకు పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా అయితే డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేయమని చెప్పారు. ఇక్కడ పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయా? 24, 12 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా లేనప్పుడు మనం ఈక్వల్ చేయాలండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 24 ఉంది. ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి 24 అవుతుంది 12 ని. 12 2 24. అంటే ఈ 5 is to 7 కూడా మనం 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో 13 is to 11 and 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. ఇప్పుడు 24 24 పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి కదా, డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చు. 13 plus 10 23, 11 plus 14 25. That is answer, guys. 25 is to 20, 23 is to 20. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే ఓకే, పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా లేకపోతే మనం ఈక్వల్ చేస్తాం.
Okay, sir.
Next one more problem అండి. 2 whistles contains milk and water in the ratio 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5. If both the whistles are mixed in the ratio 3 is to 4, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ లో మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ ని మిక్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక రేషియో ఎలా ఉందంటే 1:1 రేషియో ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ, అందుకని నో ప్రాబ్లం మనకి. కానీ ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ రేషియో ఇచ్చారు, అయినా నో ఇష్యూ అండి. Two plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8. So both parts are equal? No అండి. సో పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ చేయాలంటే ఆపోజిట్ మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. సో 5 ని 8 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 40 అవుతుంది. సో 8 ని 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 40 అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఏం చేయాలి మనము? సో ఇక్కడ 80 మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. రైట్. సో ఇందాక ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ లో 1:1 ఈక్వల్ రేషియో ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి నోట్ చేయలేదు. ఇక్కడ 1:1 నోట్ చేసినా ఒకటే, చేయకపోయినా ఒకటే, అందుకే నోట్ చేయలేదండి. రైట్. బట్ ఇక్కడ రేషియో డిఫరెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా. ఫస్ట్ విజిల్ లో నుండి 3 పార్ట్స్ తీసుకున్నారు, సెకండ్ విజిల్ లో నుండి 4 పార్ట్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇది ఫార్మేషన్ అండి. రైట్. ఇంకేమంటే ఫాస్ట్ గా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే చాలు. మళ్ళీ మీరు ఇవన్నీ ఈ 2 8s 2 3s మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఇంటూ 3 చేసి చేయడం డైరెక్ట్ ఒకేసారి సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఎనీ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ 4 1s 4 2s, రైట్. 2 3s 6 అండి, రైట్. 6 2s 12 and 6 3s 18. Next 5 3s 15. Next 5 5s 25. Okay, right hand. So 12 plus 15 is how much, guys? 27. 18 plus 25 is how much, guys? 43. Option in the? Yes. Which option is the right answer? 27. Option 1 is the right answer. Here, guys, all of you. Any doubts regarding this problem? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts?
No, sir. సార్ సమ్ ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు కదా సార్?
ఎస్, సమ్ ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ, సో ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 8 ఉంది, మనకి ఈక్వల్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సో 8 5s 40, 5 8s 40. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ అయింది కదా, 40 40. Got my point?
సార్
ఆపోజిట్ మల్టిప్లై చేసాను సింపుల్ గా. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ మల్టిప్లై చేసాను అనుకోండి, ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ని మనం 8 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, సెకండ్ వన్ ని సో 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. Anyone in doubts?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so this is a concept of mixtures, guys, here. Okay, so ee roju class ni ikkada stop chestunnanu, and tomorrow allegation and partnership concept close chestanu. So appudu ratio and proportion complete ga ayipothundandi. Ratio and proportions, okay, problems and ages and mixtures and allegations, and next partnership. Okay, so tarvata inkem concepts untayandi? Profit and loss undi, and next average data interpretation complete chese first cycle complete ayipothund. Okay, right, Andy. Up to now, any doubts, guys, regarding today's session? Up to now, any doubts?
సార్ మేము ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే
హ్యాండ్ మీకు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయట్లేదా?
సార్
మీకు హ్యాండ్ నోట్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతున్నాయి లేదా గ్రూప్ లో?
నోట్స్
ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన హ్యాండ్ అవుట్ మీకు ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతుందా లేదా?
నో సార్.
అవ్వట్లేదా? రైట్ అండి, ఒకసారి చెప్తాను మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళకి, ఒకసారి చెప్పి మీకు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇంకా
ఓకే సార్. అంటే ఏంటి సార్, వాళ్ళు డాక్యుమెంట్ పంపిస్తారా లేకపోతే అట్లా చేస్తారా?
రైట్, డాక్యుమెంట్ పంపిస్తారు, ఒక వర్డ్ ఫైల్ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ పంపిస్తారు మీకు. ఆ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ లో మనకు టాపిక్ సంబంధించి అట్లీస్ట్ 25 to 50 క్వశ్చన్స్, 25 to 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మీకు డౌట్స్ వస్తే నాకు పింక్ చేయండి, నేను రిప్లై ఇస్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ మనం అట్లీస్ట్ 30 to 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ మనము ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే క్లాస్ లో అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 20-25 క్వశ్చన్స్ కవర్ చేస్తాము. హ్యాండ్ అవుట్ లో కూడా ఒక 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ to 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ దట్ మళ్ళీ తర్వాత ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, I'll leave it. We'll continue.
అంతే సార్, ఇంకేం లేదు.
Okay, thank you.
ఓకే సార్.